Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy garlic butter spinach? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Garlic butter spinach is quick and easy to make, but your exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. For starters, we're going to need some sliced garlic as well as a chopped up shallot, or you can use an onion. We're also going to need a little lemon juice. Now in a frying pan on medium heat, I have me some good quality butter in my pan. I'm using Kerrygold. And once the butter melted, I added in the garlic and the shallots. And now I'm going to stir it up and let that saute for just about a minute. Yeah, fresh is best, but I'm a content creator and it's stressful, child. I had to go with what I had up in my kitchen, okay? So whether you're using fresh or frozen spinach, it's the same recipe. Now I cannot do bland spinach or bland food, period. So we're gonna season it up with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comment section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. No, just salt and pepper is not enough. We follows the flavor over here, boo-boo. Which means I'm also going to add some salad and vegetable seasoning, as well as some freshly squeezed lemon. And then you want to saute your spinach for about 3 to 5 minutes or until all the spinach leaves are nicely wilted and the spinach is a bright green. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook,
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. You already know this spinach was super tasty, but don't take my word for it. Let's see what the chief tasting officer has to say. Mace, you ready to work?
so good. Make sure you like it.
How is it?
It's delectable. I taught you well.
Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.